everyone. In this video, you will learn to save the circuit or selected portion of a circuit to the icon menu file. You can save this circuit for future use. To start with, first I will open circuit practice drawing. Now, to save the selected portion of a circuit, make sure you are in the schematic tab and then in the edit components panel, you go to the circuit drop down and then you choose this save circuit to icon menu tool. On choosing this tool, the save circuit to icon menu dialog box is displayed. You can notice that the options in this dialog box are similar to the options in the insert component dialog box, which we have already discussed in one of our earlier videos. The major difference between these two dialog boxes is this add drop down list. The options in this drop down list are used to add a component, command, new circuit, existing circuit, and submenu icon to the icon menu. Now we want to add a new circuit to this icon menu file. So we'll select this new circuit option. On doing so, this create new circuit dialog box is displayed. You can see here in this dialog box, this icon details area is there. You can enter name for the circuit in this name edit box. Suppose I want to enter the name as circuit 1. Below this edit box, this image file edit box is there. This edit box is used to specify the image file to be used for the new circuit icon. There are 2-3 ways to specify the image file. First, you can enter the name of the image file in this edit box. Alternatively, you can choose the browse button. On choosing the browse button, the select image file dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, you can browse to the images saved in .sld or .png files formats. You can select the file from this dialog box and then choose the open button. In that case, that name of the image file will be displayed in the image file edit box. You can also choose this pick button and then select the block from the current drawing. In that case, on choosing the pick button, this create new circuit dialog box will temporarily close and you can then select the block from the current drawing and then that name of that block will be displayed in the image file edit box. One more way is there. You can also choose this active button. On choosing this active button, the active drawing name will be specified in this image file edit box and also the location of the image file will be displayed below this checkbox. Next, the create PNG from current screen image checkbox is there. This checkbox, once you select, is used to create the PNG file from the current screen image. If you enter the name of the image file in the image file edit box, then the create PNG from current screen image checkbox will be activated and it gets selected automatically. If you clear this checkbox, then the zoom button, which is over here, will be deactivated and there will not be any preview in this preview area. Also note that if you enter the full path of the image file in this image file edit box, then also this checkbox will not be activated. Now this preview area, this area will be available only if you specify the image file in the image file edit box. In that case, the preview of the selected drawing or block will be displayed in this area. Now the circuit drawing file area is there. Here, the options in this area are used to define the file name of the circuit. Also, this area displays the location of the circuit drawing file that is being created. You can enter the file name for the circuit in the file name edit box, and once you enter the file name for the circuit in the file name edit box, the path and location of the circuit will be displayed on the right of this location parameter. Now, in our case, let us choose this active button. On choosing this active button, you can see here the name of the current drawing is displayed here. Also, the location of this current drawing is displayed here, and in this preview area, this preview of the drawing is displayed here. But right now you can see here This preview of the drawing also displays the title block of that drawing. Now suppose I do not want this title block to be included in this circuit to be saved in the icon menu file, then I can choose the cancel button here. Now I will temporarily choose cancel button over here, and I can select this title block and I can delete it, so that when I choose this tool again and when I select this new circuit option, and here again I will choose this active button, and now you can see only the circuit is displayed in this preview area. And now we can save this circuit to the icon menu file. Now I need to enter the file name in the circuit drawing file area, so I can write custom circuit 1. Now you can see on entering the file name here, this location of the file name is displayed in next to this location parameter. Now I can choose the OK button here. On choosing the OK button, you can see you are prompted to specify the base point. Now if I specify the base point as this one, next you are prompted to select objects. I can select the objects by this crossing window. So this way I have selected the circuit. Now I will press enter. Now you can see here in this save circuit to icon menu dialog box, this circuit is added with the icon circuit 1. Now you can use this circuit in any of the AutoCAD electrical drawings for future use. Now I will choose the OK button here. So this way you can save the circuit, that is, you can call the custom circuit in the icon menu file using the save circuit to icon menu tool. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.